Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to keep elements like a navigation bar or a button glued in place while scrolling in your Figma prototypes, you're in exactly the right place. Today I'm walking you through how to create a fixed position in Figma, so your designs not only look great but also feel responsive and realistic, just like the real web or mobile apps we all use every day. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to lock any object in place and make your prototypes more interactive and polished. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Figma. If you're already in your workspace, that's perfect. If not, just head to Figma.com and get your project open. Now imagine you have a header, a menu bar, or maybe even a floating action button, something that you'd expect to always be visible, no matter how far you scroll down the page. That's the kind of thing we want to keep fixed in place. So what you want to do next is select the object or group of objects that you want to remain visible as you scroll. This could be something as simple as just clicking on your header, or maybe you've bundled all your navigation elements into a group. If you're selecting multiple elements, you can hold down Shift and click, or even group them for easier handling. Taking the time to make sure you have the exact items selected will save you trouble, especially when your designs get a bit more complex. Once your objects are selected, look to the top right corner of your Figma workspace. You'll notice a tab labeled Prototype. Go ahead and click that. You might be used to staying in the Design tab for most things, but the Prototype section is where a lot of the interactivity magic happens in Figma. Now on the right side, with Prototype mode active and your object still selected, look for the option that says Fixed Stay in Place, or sometimes you might see Stick. These options control how your selected objects behave when your frame has scrolling enabled. If you select Fixed Stay in Place, that ensures the object will always remain exactly where you put it, even as your user scrolls up and down the frame. Think of it like pinning something to a corkboard. No matter how much the rest of the content moves, your pinned item isn't going anywhere. Alternatively, you might see the Stick to Top or Stick option. This is particularly handy when you want, say, a header bar or a menu to always be visible at the top of the screen, much like websites with sticky navbars. When you choose this, your element will, as the name suggests, stick to the top edge of the frame during scrolling but still move with horizontal scrolls if there are any. And that's really all there is to it. Figma's fixed position tools are a game changer for prototyping because they let you simulate real-world app and website behaviors so much more accurately. Don't worry if you need a moment to find where those options are, or if you need to adjust your layers. Sometimes it takes a bit of trial and error, especially when working with more complex layouts. Just remember, you can always undo and tweak until it feels just right. And there you have it, your elements are now fixed in position. I hope this tip helps make your prototypes more dynamic and realistic. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below with any questions or tips of your own, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.